I'll show you Monster. I'm going to take the brakes out of it, and the brakes are in pretty tough shape, as you'll see. This video is going to be an experiment to see whether or not I can get my Canon and GoPro footage together on a video and then put it up on YouTube. I've had trouble in the past trying to mix cameras and get the footage to work. So we'll see what happens with this time. It'll be short, and you'll see what a mess the brakes are in, and you'll see how I managed to get the wheel cylinders apart. I don't know if I'll be able to get them to stop leaking when I'm done, but you'll see what I've got done so far. We'll get a shot of that brake. You can see the dust. The brake dust.
Yeah, it used to be dust at one time.
And here's a bit of debris on the shoe by the looks of it. I think the maximum thickness on this of the dust is supposed to be a 1/16 of an inch. I don't think it's any thicker than that, is it?
Oh, much thicker.
Is it?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah. Did that have any?
That's probably why it doesn't grip.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, there's
Yeah,
a piece
I see
there.
that.
There's a piece there.
That's the boot off of the...
The dust boot.
Yeah.
That's what happened. The dust boot went.
Sure it is.
Let the dust in.
Well, there's the other half of the dust boot.
Well, now we know.
Yep.
So we could tell. You know that guy called Monk?
Monk?
Monk on TV?
No.
Well, he's a cop.
Oh, yeah.
But he's got some neat ideas.
How to get rid of mung?
No, they can tell what part of the country the mud was from.
Oh.
That's why you have to take the backing plate off. You take the wheel cylinder out. 2 hex heads. Same way here, like 3/8. Coming from this side. I think it moved a hair. Yep, it moved. So did my fire. Okay. GoPro. I'll give her a little 600 grit, clean up the tiny bit that's visible there. This machine was not maintained very well, obviously. Go. Coming out. Oh well, might have buggered up the cylinder a little bit. That's all going to be honed out. And this thing doesn't go down the highway at 60 miles an hour. It creeps across the yard at 5. If it ever does move. Yeah, we'll clean that up. Well, that's what I've got done so far. I'll just keep adding to it, and I think what I'll do is take the video down every time I add to it and just remake it and repost it. But this is where we're at so far. Thanks for watching.